We initially contacted Southwest College because we had a problem that we just couldn't get to the bottom of, and we thought if we could get some specialist expertise, design expertise, that would be a real benefit. So whenever I spoke to the girl there, she says, you know, we actually have probably the ideal programme for you to come on, and that was Connected. And I suppose that's led us to build a relationship with the college. We've done a few innovation vouchers, we've done some staff training. This year we're hoping to take 2 gold apprentices, and we've just recently been successful and been awarded a knowledge transfer partnership. But all of this would have grown out of the Connected project and that original link.
The Connected programme has been instrumental in terms of allowing us to engage with businesses, to identify what requirements they had and develop solutions to meet their needs. Through the Connected programme, we developed a business plan where we in turn saw what businesses wanted. Carol has been the prime example, where she came in, received technical support from us in the college to help her business develop and grow.
Well, the help and support I received from the college was invaluable because I was able to turn that hobby business into a viable business. They helped me from the very beginning. I think the business wouldn't have succeeded had I not had the facility to be able to increase production, and also the knowledge and expertise and the support. The support came to me through every single aspect of the business.
Connected funding, it's a very unique type funding that is important to the college to allow lecturers to keep abreast of this technology. The Ryobi link, we have trained up their engineers, trained up the maintenance guys.
We have always sort of been in touch with the tech because Alan Reid comes in and does the training for the Kawasaki robots we have here, and he was able to come in one day, and as well as setting up the function, he gave me training on how I can implement it on other robots within the factory as well. It's a big benefit to us to be able to use NRC for what we do. Otherwise you'd be looking at massive expense to get these bits of training done. We also do with the collaborative robot. It's now very much in the forefront. People are starting to see that. These robots can work alongside humans. They don't have to be guarded, they don't have to be caged the same way as an industrial robot. And I work 1 day a week with block blinds. We're automating the process as much as possible with the URs because it's a light payload, it's a light product they're using, so it's ideal for what they're doing.
Yeah, well, the training was based at Block Blinds with our own bot that we had purchased, so to get the hands-on training at our factory using our parts and our own product was massive. It was an ideal scenario.
CERT became involved with Connected through the Knowledge Transfer Partnership, and we were invited to participate in the design of a programme for Belfast Trust. They didn't have enough staff and contractors who were qualified to deal with installing plumbing systems within the hospital trust. Without Connected, we wouldn't have been able to do this. It was really Connected's initial support that allowed me to engage with the Belfast Trust, identify a problem and then provide a solution.
The industry gets the expertise of ourselves as knowledge providers, and the academics in question have the joy of working with industry, which assists us in terms of how we educate our graduates, because we're able to give them live projects what they're working on. So when they actually go in to apply for jobs, they can say that they've worked on a real live brief and have tangible evidence of what they actually produced. Students can come out from university with a first-class honours degree, but if they don't have any real experience, then are they really employable?
It was fascinating actually, because we had all these really young, excited students who were just really interested to get involved and do something that was a bit different. You know, they've been fantastic at doing the actual project, but they've also just been there for advice and for helping us with nutritionals and just to answer questions whenever we suddenly have oh wow, we could really do with an expert on this epiphany moment.
We have all the resources within the college, we have all the expertise, and the small businesses are there, they're popping up all over the place, and Connected is the link that helps us bring the two together.
It's really hard to imagine where it would have ended up if we didn't have these sort of things, but I can assure you it would definitely be miles behind. Through all the knowledge and the use of equipment, and people just being really, really generous with their time, and you know, it's helped us a huge amount. I mean, without the funding, a lot of these things wouldn't exist. You know, we can't do them without the money, and We need that to improve our process, improve our training, improve everything about our business, and we can only do that with outside help to a certain extent and other expertise, and we need the funding to basically get us there.
Connected offers the opportunity for small businesses to access, I suppose, advanced resources that the colleges can put in place. The finance that Connected offers is crucial. Belfast Met obviously need to be able to justify staff time in delivering these projects, so without Connected that's just not possible. Connected is that missing link, that crucial missing link that small businesses need to access the resources that the colleges offer.